Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 350 horse 350 numbers match Stingray convertible. Both tops Mulsane Blue with the blue bucket seat interior. This car runs and drives excellent. It is the original number matching 350 horse 350. Headlights work great, wiper doors work great. As you can see, they're pulling up and they're going down. Number match 350 horse 350. We have the original motor. It is sitting in a crate and it has this brand new blueprint crate 350 500 horse to the back wheel dyno. The original motor is not hurt. It had 100,000 miles exactly, and it is crated up in the crate that this engine came from. This car runs and drives excellent. The paint is excellent. It's Mulsane Blue. Blue bucket seat interior. It runs and drives great, and it has got that muscle car thumping. The paint is absolutely gorgeous. So is the interior. It's got this metallic blue interior. Shows the 350 horse 350 on the shifter. It has factory 4-speed. All of those numbers match. All of the gauges work and match. I'm going to open her up right quick. We're going to put the top up just to show you the top. There's the luggage area. There's a one in the middle there too, Caleb. It also has the blue painted hardtop for it. All the chrome, signal lights, headlights, all of that stuff is beautiful. Brand new BFGoodrich tires. My son-in-law is latching the top, so I'm going to skip to the motor here. It runs excellent. 500 horsepower to the rear tires is what it was dynoed at. And we have the original 350 horse 350 motor that is not hurt, sitting in a crate ready to go back in. So yes, it's a 241 in that. Original rear end, original M21 Mulsane 4-speed. Super nice car. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Y'all come out the country and check us out. www.redlinemusclecars.com. Thanks. Have a blessed day.